Hello my YouTube friends and family, how are you all? Hope all are good and fine.
Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest trends and innovations in home design. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of modular kitchen sinks. I know, it may not sound as exciting as the latest gadget or a world record attempt. These revolutionary sink designs are making waves in the culinary world. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video on the hottest kitchen trends. And as always, leave us a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. Until next time, happy cooking and stay stylish.